This is a short tutorial on how to use Diptrace schematic. So as you can see, I'm in the program here, and what I want to do is set up what are called the libraries for the parts that you're going to use. So we're here, and this is a network that we're on. So what we're going to do is set it up using the network. So the first thing you're going to do in this program is you're going to go up to Library. You're going to do a Library Setup. And from Library Setup, you're going to see there's different components here. We want to add one. Okay, so we're going to go to Add, and it says New Library. I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to put in here Vanier parts, so we know what we're looking for. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to come over here to go to Add to Library. And from Add Library, I'm going to go on to the network. So I'm going to come down to School Share. From School Share, you can see all this junk in here. I'm just going to press R for Room 500, and you're going to find Room 500. Once I found Room 500 in all this stuff here, I'm going to look for what's called Diptrace. So here's a folder called Diptrace. I'm going to double click on it, and you're going to see these files. So to select all the files, you can hold down the shift or click on the bottom one, hold the shift key down, click on the top, select them all, or I can go press Control and A, and it highlights them all as well. Then I'm going to click on OK and accept it, and you can see all the parts come in. And again, I'm going to select OK down here because that's all we have to do. Okay, so now we're done. You don't see anything changing here, but when I come up to Components and I fly out on this dialog box, you're going to find Vanier parts. We're going to select Vanier parts, and now you can see all the different parts. So if I want Arduino parts, you can see all the different ones here. Basic parts, right? So battery, ground, VCC, and you can scroll down and see all the different ones. And as I select each one, you can see it's going to show you what the actual symbol is. It's kind of dark here on this screen, and you can see also the what the pattern is going to look like. So then simply I would just drag it out, and for some reason on my screen it doesn't drag out, but there would be my battery. And then if I wanted to go to Arduino part, I could grab an Arduino Nano and put it out here, and I can scroll in and basically just do that. Okay, so that's just really quickly how to get going in this program and get the right library set up. The only other thing is you're not going to use this over here. Okay, and so if I come up to View, Toolbars, one of the toolbars that you're going to get rid of is the Objects one. So just turn that one off. Whoops, sorry, not Objects. Sorry, messed that one up. View, Toolbars, and it's Design Manager. Sorry. And there we go, back to Toolbars, and we're going to turn the objects back on. Okay, so that concludes this video tutorial. Nice, short, sweet, and you now know how to find the parts.